Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen this face before, my name is Tamar, also known as Musings of a Curvy Lady, and welcome to the wonderful world of musings. This is my corner of the internet where I love to talk about fashion, style, and beauty. And in today's video, it's very special because we are sponsored by Walmart. I'm bringing you a Walmart Sparkle Season haul, and you guys, it's so good. You guys are going to flip over these sets, these outfits, all of the things. So if you're interested to see how I create a little bit of sparkle on a budget from Walmart, please keep watching. But before we get started, house rules. Duh. House rules. We're in my house, so I need you to please like the video. It helps to boost so other girly pops can learn how to create some sparkle on a budget from Walmart. Okay, you guys are gonna gag, okay? And then of course, because we're a community that likes to yap, please comment. We like to see the comments, okay? Keep it coming. And of course, because I want you to be a part of the Musings of a Curvy Lady family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. You know you want to, okay? And turn on notifications while you're at it so you never miss a Curvy Lady upload. All right, let's get into all the sparkle looks. Welcome back, guys. I feel like I haven't done a dedicated Walmart style video in a while, so I'm so excited to be partnering with them to give you outfits to wear for sparkle season. For me, sparkle season is basically 365 days of the year, 366 if it's a leap year, okay? But I know sparkly outfits right now are really big, and you don't have to break the bank to shine bright like a diamond, okay? First case in point, this outfit. Are you gagged? Because I'm so gagged right now. Okay, so I knew online that I had to give it a little bit of, styling in my head, because a lot of the time that's what I have to do. I can't look at how it is on the model. I have to be able to That's So Raven and see myself in the future styled. And when I saw this skirt, I was like, if this works, it's gonna be so good. You guys, it's so good. I was so right. Look at the skirt. Easily would have paid probably 4 times the price, and it's from Walmart. You need to grab this skirt, okay? This is gonna be the special occasion skirt that you can wear dressed up or dressed down. Obviously, I'm dressed up right now, but you could easily dress this down maybe with some flats, but I love the sparkle. It's subtle, but noticeable, And when you move, it's so good, you guys. I love that it's maxi, it's tiered, it's modest. I paired it with this gorgeous puff sleeve sweater. First of all, great quality. I'm wearing a 1X up top and a 2X on the skirt, size down on the skirt, okay? This runs huge and it has lots of stretch, and I would want it to be just a little bit more snug for fitted look. This is gorgeous. I love this. I just paired it with some shoes that I had and earrings from my closet, but this is a 10 out of 10 muses. Okay, I can't get over how beautiful this is. I love the color. I look like a tall bubbly glass of champagne. I love that. I would totally wear this to Bible study, to worship, or an assembly. This is so good. It's elegant, it's chic, it moves so well. It's hard to top this, but I'm gonna show you 2 more outfits, maybe 3, that will get the seal of approval. But this one, I don't think we're gonna beat it. We're starting off so strong. All right, the second look, you guys, it's so dramatic. It's so my personality. I love to look very Scandal, Olivia Pope, but dramatic, or more dramatic. Because Olivia, yeah, she was drama filled. We love it. This is what Olivia would wear to meet fits in Vermont in winter. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But this dress, stunzerella. I do have to say though, the dress runs large. It's a stretch knit, and I got a 2X. There's just some extra fabric around the bodice that I don't like, but that's on me. So I'm gonna go see if they have it in a 1X, so I could even probably get an XXL, because this is a lot and it already stretches. So I would say you could go down 2 sizes and it will give you a nice fitted look like this versus that. And then we have the embellishments, really good quality. These aren't going anywhere, okay? I love that because that's super annoying when all of a sudden you look down and there's a rhinestone missing from your outfit, especially one that you paid a lot of money. This, you're not gonna break the bank and it's still great quality. And I do appreciate that it's not embellished in the back because hello, I need to sit, okay? I hate a standing up outfit only. I need to be able to sit. First of all, are there gonna be chairs there? Wherever we're going, I need to be able to sit. Is there food? Who's gonna be there? Can I sit? Can I leave whenever I want? Very important. And I wanna look good doing all of those things. Love, I love, love, love. But what makes this outfit, I think just like this is me like shooting the basket, like swish, is the jacket. I'm sorry, this is amazing. I look like the Abominable Snowman, but chic. You know, it's giving fashion. Okay, and it's all from Walmart. I'm dying. I kept the shoes and my bag the same just for my closet. You know, sometimes you have to shop your own closet, but so chic, so lovely, obsessed, 10 out of 10. I still like the first one more because I think it just fit perfectly. It showed my curves really well. This dress, I'll show you what it looks like without the jacket actually, because I hate when that happens. You know, when people, especially when they're wig influencers, they do the wig, but they never show the size or the back of the wig. I can't trust you. So I'm taking off the jacket. I'm gonna show you what this dress looks like on me. You see how big it is? Like it's not that bad, but because it has all this extra fabric, I know it could fit better and it'll like just hit my curves better and just skim over my body and my belly like perfectly. But you see the bra, you see, like, it's just not the right size, but the dress itself, 10 out of 10. This is gonna be repurchased just in a smaller size so I can wear it. And if you see me wearing it again, no, you didn't. Okay, on to the next. Okay, this one, this is for the baddies. This is for someone who wants to sparkle just a little bit, but still make a statement. Now, I threw on the coat because I was like, let me just see, but let me show you the actual dress because the cutouts make the dress. Do you see that? But this to me is the perfect amount of skin. It's not too scandalous. Like my mom won't be tripping, okay? She noticed I have been covering up my chest more and she's just like, your videos are really, really nice. Like, so Helen, this one's for you. It's a little skin, but still mostly covered. It's the fact that it's a bodycon, it's shimmer material, it's ribbed, it's thick, it's not itchy. There's so many just pros for this dress. I honestly don't have any cons. This is a 10 out of 10. It also comes in black if that's more your vibe. I love cream in the winter. Like, I just feel like I wanna just look like a snowball, but like a fly snowball, okay? Don't get it twisted. But do you see how this is a moment, but when you add the jacket, yeah. This is giving Snow Princess, Abominable Snowman's cousin, you know, fashion show. It's so good. I love it. Do you see the material? Like, you see how, I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but it's a slight shimmer, which I can appreciate because it's not like in your face. It's very subdued, but still sparkly. We love. I just paired it with these boots from Vince Camuto. They're from last year, but I think they still have them available. So if I can link them, I will. Oh, I know the first one was my favorite. But I think we're ending on my new favorite. This one's so hot, it's sexy, it's still like modest, but it's giving, you know, a little something something. I love it, 10 out of 10. All right guys, that is the full lookbook of Sparkle Season from Walmart. Let me know which look is your favorite. What look are you most surprised that is actually from Walmart? Honestly, I'm gagged at all of them, but the fact that the last look is my favorite. I cannot believe, and I'm gonna love telling people it's from Walmart. Also, shout out to Walmart for sponsoring this post. We love that. Let's keep it coming, please, and thank you. But before I go, let's just do a little reminder of house rules. First, I'm gonna need you to liking helps to boost this video for other girly pops to find it. If they wanna shine for Sparkle Season, they can do it, and on a budget, okay? And please comment because we are a community that likes to yap. And of course, I want you to be a part of the musings of a Curvy Lady family. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you never miss a Curvy Lady upload. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video and all of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.